Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today I am going to explain the concept of string functions and methods. This topic is fully related to string. Python offers many built-in functions and methods for string manipulation. The string manipulation method that are being discussed as by applied to string as per following syntax. Now syntax of the method or function applying in the program is that string object dot method name and parenthesis. This is the syntax of applying method or function. Now we discuss some string built-in functions. Len function, parenthesis sign is called function sign. Len function. This function or method returns the length of the string. When we want to find length of a string, we use len function. For example, string equal to welcome. Welcome word contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. Now len function applied len in the parenthesis bracket string. Then this function returns number of letters present in string. So it returns 7. This is length function output. Now next one, string capitalize function. This function returns a copy of the string with its first character capitalized. It is used to capitalize first letter of a string. For example, string is hello dot capitalize function. Now output is hello. In the output string, H is capital. This is the use of capitalize function. String dot is lnum function. That is, string is alphanumeric function. It returns true if the character in the string are alphanumeric, that is alphabet or string, and there is at least one character in the string, otherwise it returns false. This function is used to check alphabets and numbers in the string, and one condition is that there is at least one character in the string. So string is not empty and then check alphabet and numbers. If string is empty, then it returns false. Now next one function is string is alpha function. It returns true if all characters in the string are alphabet and there is at least one character in the string, otherwise it returns false. So this function check string as all the alphabets, all the characters are alphabet. Now next one is string dot is digit function. It returns true if all characters in the string are digits and there must be at least one character. Otherwise it returns false. Next one function is string dot is lower function. It returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase and there must be at least one character. Otherwise it returns false. This type functions returns output in the form of true or false. Now next one function is string dot is upper function. It returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase and there must be at least one character, that is string is not empty, otherwise it returns false. Next one function is string dot is space function. This function check space in the string. It returns true if there are only byte space characters in the string. This function count string space in the string. Otherwise it returns null or 0. Next one function is string.lower function. It returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. Lower function is check string and convert all the characters in lowercase alphabets. Is lower function check lowercase alphabets and only lower function is convert all the characters in lowercase. So example is string contain capital ABC, then string dot lower function, this function convert string in lowercase, so output is small a, b and c. Now next function is string dot upper function. It returns a copy of the string converted to uppercase. This function is used to convert alphabet or letters in uppercase. Example is string equal to small abc, then string dot upper function. This function convert string in uppercase. So string output is capital A, B and C. This is the concept of upper function. These are some functions, built-in functions which are used in Python string.